Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing and testing the Narcissus 3.5 cup rice cooker. Narcissus sent me this rice cooker to share my honest review. All thoughts and opinions are entirely my own. First, inside the box is your manual. Here's the measuring cup, one serving spatula. Here's your main power cord, a steam tray for cooking veggies. Here is your inner pot with a non-stick coating and water level measurement label. And here's the rice cooker itself, compact and sleek and white. Everything feels well built and thoroughly included. Let's talk about the features. The capacity is 3.5 cups uncooked, which makes 7 cups cooked and perfect for 1 to 3 people, but we found it works for 1 meal for our family of 4. It is multifunctional cooking, so it's not just rice. You can cook oatmeal, quinoa, porridge, and even use it for slow cooking and steaming. There's also an auto warm mode that keeps your food warm for up to 12 hours after cooking. You can also set your delay and start cooking for up to 8 hours later, and it's ideal for preparing breakfast or dinner ahead of time. Now let's go ahead and test it. I will be testing it by cooking rice because that's what this cooker going to be used in our family routine. Let's go ahead and rinse the rice twice. I use our usual jasmine rice, rinse it thoroughly, and follow the water level markings inside the pot. By pressing the menu button, this will cycle the selection, and for this test, I will select the white rice and let the Narcissus rice cooker do its thing. After about 30 minutes, it switched to warm mode automatically. The rice came out perfect. Fluffy, evenly cooked, no burnt edges, and no saggy bottom. Just the way my wife and I like it. So after using it for a week now, there's a couple things that could be improved with Narcissus rice cooker. First, there's no digital timer. You don't see how much time is left while cooking, which can be a bit inconvenient. Second thing I wish they can improve is the lid design. I wish the cover can be lifted with one hand without lifting the clip with 2 hands and leaving the lid on the counter. I really wish the lid were hinged or attached to the body so you could open it with one hand and keep things cleaner and more convenient. Those are not really a deal breaker for me because for the price, this is a great multifunctional rice cooker. So, is the Narcissus rice cooker qualified for us rice lovers? If you're cooking for 1 to 3 people or just need a compact multifunctional cooker for daily use, it's a fantastic choice. For families like ours who eat rice every day, it works well for a single meals. Overall, I've been cooking with this rice cooker for a week now, and I'd say it's been solid and reliable. It never failed once so far. There's no inconsistency with the result as long as you use the provided cup. So if you're short on space and love rice, this could be your next kitchen rice cooker. If you want to check this rice cooker, link is in the description below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.